I'm going to be doing problem 39 from chapter 3. So there's a radar station that locates a sinking ship at a range 17.3 kilometers and a bearing 136 degrees clockwise from the north, and bearings are measured from the north, so 136 degrees ends up down here. From the same station, a rescue plane is at a horizontal range 19.6 kilometers, 153 degrees clockwise from the north, with elevation 2.20 kilometers. So we're trying to write the position vector for the ship relative to the plane. So first we can start by splitting up these vectors into their x and y components. So for the ship, we can split up its vector, 17.3 kilometers, into its x component and its y component. We can do this by doing 17.3 kilometers times the cosine of this angle here. And to find this angle here, we know that this is 90 degrees, and then measured from the north, it goes down here. Since this is 90, we can just subtract 90 from 136, and that gives us 46. So this is 46 degrees here, so cosine 46 degrees. And the y here is 17.3 times sine 46 degrees. So we do the same thing for the plane, and it has 19.6 kilometers. And we also find this angle here, 153 degrees minus 90 degrees is 63 degrees. So this is 19.6 kilometers cosine 63 degrees. 19.6 kilometers sine 63 degrees. Okay, so we have that. And then we will, since we're trying to find the position vector of the ship relative to the plane, we'll find the difference between these x and y components between the ship and the plane. So we can start by doing that with in the x direction. And the plane is 19.6 kilometers sine 63 degrees, and the ship is 17.3 kilometers sine 46 degrees. We're trying to find this distance, the difference here. So we can do that by doing 19.6 kilometers sine 63 minus 17.3 kilometers sine 46 degrees, and that will give us 5.02 kilometers when you put that into a calculator. And I just realized this is the y direction. Okay, now we'll do it for the x direction. And for the airplane, this will be 19.6 cosine, can't see it, 19.6 cosine cosine 63 degrees, and for the ship it will be 17.3 cosine 46 degrees, and then we just find that difference, 17.3 cosine 46 degrees minus 19.6 cosine 63 degrees, and that will give us a difference of 3.12 kilometers. So now we have the difference between those two. So we have the ship here and the plane here, and the difference in the y direction is 5.02 kilometers, and in the x direction 3.12 kilometers. And so we're trying to find the position vector. Okay, so we can do that. And position vector, that's just v for vector, equal to, so in the x it's 3.12 kilometers in the positive x direction, 3.12 I hat minus plus 5.02 j hat. And now there's also the z direction. Remember that the plane is 2.2 kilometers above the ship, and since we're finding the position vector for the ship relative to the plane, the ship is below the plane, which means negative 2.2 k hat. So that's the vector. And then to find how far apart the plane and ship are, you just take the magnitude of this, and just take the magnitude, just simply do go to the square root of 3.12 kilometers squared plus 5.02 kilometers squared plus 2.2 kilometers squared, and put that into a calculator and you'll get 3.61 kilometers.